Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job for you. Today we have 5 opportunities in the healthcare industry for data entry remote work from home jobs that's available for you. So stay tuned for all of them. The first job is for CareCentrix. They're looking for associate claim support. It pays from $16.35 to $20 an hour. This position receives and responds to provider inquiries on claim issues. Researchers information by reviewing plan eligibility and authorizations to determine appropriate resolution. Works with CSC or RCM to identify areas of opportunity and recommend solutions. Completes special assignments and analyzes provider requests. Assists other departments and interacts directly with providers. In this role, you will handle various inbound or outbound provider calls, which include researching, resolving, and documenting issues. Handle RCM authorization and intake changes required for claims and billing processing within a 48-hour turnaround time frame. Analyze data and determine if CareCentrix claim processing guidelines have been followed correctly by researching plan eligibility and patient authorization information. Track claim detail errors and communicates to upline management for coaching and training purposes. Participate in and contribute to performance improvement activities. Participate in special projects and performances or other duties assigned. Qualifications. You should reach out if you have high school diploma or equivalent required. Must have a minimum of 1 year work experience, 2 years of customer service, claim processing, medical terminology, medical services, or equivalent experience required. Knowledge of basic spreadsheet, word processing, data entry, and basic math skills required. Knowledge of claims management and URAC standards preferred. While we offer a compensation range from $16.35 to $20 an hour plus incentive bonus opportunity, full range of benefits including health, dental, and vision with HSA employee contributions, independent care FSA employer match, incentive bonus, profit sharing, generous PTO, 401k savings plan, paid parental leave, free on-demand virtual fitness training, and more. Advancement opportunities, professional skills training, and tuition reimbursement. Great culture with a sense of community. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, that's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we have the best work from home job available for you. Job number 2 will be with Ventral Health Incorporated, and this is to be a billing specialist, ticket resolution. The ticket resolution specialist is responsible for the first steps in the billing process and act as a liaison to the physicians. The ticket resolution specialist must comply with applicable laws regarding billing standards and be able to operate in a team-oriented environment that strives to provide superior service to anesthesia providers throughout the country. This position prepares billing records for coding. Responsibilities. Verify patient information from website or phone calls. Request updated face sheets from the facility. Request medical records from the facility as needed. Enters appropriate insurance codes. Enters patient demographic information into MedSuite. Enters anesthesia charges. Corrects posted charges by doing charge reversals. Contacts physicians via email, bench review, or phone call for ticket clarification such as coding questions, missing diagnosis, etc. Takes physician calls, responds to physicians regarding ticket questions in a timely manner, works on a monthly missing ticket and missing ticket report. The qualifications: high school diploma or GED, exceptional written and verbal communication skills, ability to make decisions in a timely fashion that is sound, accurate, and supported by their reasoning and inclusion appropriate people, must be able to prioritize and accomplish objectives in a timely fashion. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, that's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. And all you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we have the best work from home remote job available for you. The next job is with BPO American. They're looking for a remote customer service representative. Pays $13 to $14 an hour. Customer service reps that currently work with us, most even do so they come from their own home. We're looking for customer service reps with a passion to provide amazing customer service. Full-time hours customer service, data entry, positions available now, and paid training. Responsibilities: manage incoming calls, identify and assess customers' need to achieve satisfaction, build sustainable relationships and trust with customer accounts through open and interactive communication, provide accurate, valid, and complete information by using the right methods/tools, meet personal/customer service team sales targets and call handling quotas, handle customer complaints, provides appropriate solution and alternatives within the time limits, follow up to ensure resolution, keep records of customer interactions, process customer accounts and file documents, follow communication procedures, guidelines and policies, takes the extra mile to engage customers. Skills: proven customer service experience or experience as a client service representative, strong phone contact handling skills and active listening, customer orientation, ability to adapt/respond to different types of characters, excellent communication and presentation skills, ability to multitask, prioritize, and manage time effectively, high school degree. This job is full-time, pays $13 to $14 an hour, includes benefits such as dental, vision, insurance, paid training, paid time off, flexible schedule, and you can work from home. 8-hour shifts, days or evening shifts, Monday through Friday, some overtime, self-determined schedule with some weekend availability. If you feel like you're the perfect person for this particular position, we'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, that's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, and all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next job is for Clear Sky Rehabilitation Hospital, Flower Mound. They're looking for a regulatory and reimbursement manager. Pays $50,000 to $90,000 a year. Clear Sky hospitals provide high quality care that transforms the lives of those living with disabling injuries and illnesses. We distinguish ourselves through our commitment to excellence, to our patients, to our employees, and to the communities we serve. Clear Sky is looking for a regulatory and reimbursement manager to join our team. This person will be responsible for Medicare and Medicaid reimbursement, including calculation of third-party reimbursements, Medicare facility adjusted base rates, monitoring and evaluating charges in reimbursement, creating and submitting accurate cost reports, managing audits, including desk reviews, and assisting with overall account receivable reserve accuracy, including policies and processes. This position can be remote. Essential functions: calculates and communicate reimbursement rates for Medicare and Medicaid programs for all hospitals, including new developments, calculates and inform all parties on changes to facility adjusted base rates, gathers data, creates and analyzes cost reports for timely submission, and makes recommendation on changes in the business practice, develops awareness and accountability on all aspects of cost reimbursements to ensure reimbursement revenue is accurately recorded, reported, and in compliance with CMS regulations, reviews and analyzes potential effect of government, Medicare, Medicaid regulations and changes on financial agreements/contracts, monitors and evaluates Medicare, Medicaid, and other state reporting requirements to ensure compliances with regulations, evaluates the impact of changes in accounting practices and new/revised Medicare regulations on the cost reports and incorporated these changes to maximize reimbursement, calculation of third-party reimbursements and quarterly estimates, reconciles third-party balance sheet account to reimbursement expectations, review other revenue reimbursements entries for accuracy, Manages audits, desk reviews, and audit coordination for external/internal and regulatory financial audits and remediation of audit findings for the reimbursement area department. Completes and submits Medicare and Medicaid hospital provider application updates, assists with payer credentialing and other filings as needed. Some of the minimum job requirements include bachelor's degree in related discipline required, 5 years experience in Medicare and Medicaid reimbursement required, experience with developing and submitting hospital Medicare cost reports required, experience with Medicare provider enrollment preferred. Some of your knowledge and skills and abilities: knowledge of current Medicare, Medicaid, hospital regulation and reimbursement practices, knowledge of payer types in the healthcare industry, demonstrate general computer skills including data entry, word processing, emailing, and records management, ability to maintain quality and safety standards, ability to maintain proper levels of confidentiality, ability to work closely and professionally with others at all levels of organization, effective organizational and time management skills, effective written and verbal communication skills. This job is full-time, pays $50,000 to $90,000 per year, and includes some benefits such as 401k matching, dental, disability, health, life, and vision insurance, paid time off, flexible spending account, employee discount, employee assistance program. It's from Monday to Friday, it's fully remote, and if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away, but if not, that's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, and all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best work from home job available for you. Then our final job entry will be for Solio Health. They're looking for a data entry clerk, and it's temporary. Solio Health is seeking a per diem data entry clerk to work remotely in the USA. It is a temporary position with the possibility of temp to hire. This position is responsible for the data entry of patient records into our electronic medical record system. Responsibilities include patient intake, procuring patient documentation, assigning records to appropriate staff, and securing records are entered in a timely fashion. Essential duties and responsibilities: data entry provided by customers to electronic medical record systems. Provide exceptional customer service to external and internal customers, resolving any customer request in a timely and accurate manner. Retrieve data from the database or electronic files as requested. Provide general clerical assistance to support branch services. Supports client satisfaction at a level that ensures account retention. Ensures timely acceptance of patient records. Collecting, filing, and organizing office documents such as reports and confidential records. Update existing data as needed. Establishes entry priorities. Qualifications and requirements: high school diploma, experience in home infusion, specialty pharmacy, physician office or dental office, working knowledge of HCPCs, CPT, and ICD-10 coding, ability to type 45 to 60 words per minute, proficiency with Microsoft Office products, ability to effectively handle multiple priorities within a changing environment, attention to detail, time management and organization skills, highly effective in working objectively with a diverse group of people, and must demonstrate communication, organization, administrative, and office managerial skills. This job is part-time, it is temporary, the schedule is on call, education at least high school diploma or equivalent required, and then experience, everything is preferred. 1 year of home infusion, 1 year of CPT coding, 1 year of ICD-9, and 1 year of 45 to 60 words per minute typing speed. This job is fully remote, and if you would like to apply, we'll have the links right in the description below for this and every single job that we mentioned in this video, so you can apply right away. But if these are not the jobs for you, don't worry, we're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.